Good morning, student. Now you are going to see the extraction of crude metal. Today's topic is extraction of crude metal is the today's topic. Already I thought extraction of metal consists of three types. Already I thought. First type is concentration of ore. Second type is extraction of crude metal. It's the refining of crude metal. Already I thought the concentration of ore. What does mean by concentration? Concentration means remove the gong material is called as the concentration. Okay. So concentration have five types. First one is gravity separation. Second one is fourth flotation process. Next one is leaching. Some magnetic separation. Already I thought. So gravity separation, fourth flotation, leaching, some magnetic separation. There are four types of concentration of ore. Already we thought the concentration of ore. Now we are going to see the extraction of crude metal. Okay. Now second process is extraction of crude metal. Now we are going to see the extraction of crude metal. Okay. The extraction of crude metal, there are two-step process. First step is conversion of ore into metal oxide. Next step is reduction of the metal oxide to metal. There are two-step process. Now we are going to see the first step, conversion of ore into metal oxides. Okay, ma'am. The conversion of ore into metal oxides, there are two types. First type is roasting. Second type is calcination. These two methods you are going to convert the ore into oxides. Ore are going to change the oxide ore. Okay. This is the two-step process. Now we are going to see the roasting. First one is roasting. Roasting. What does mean by roasting? Roasting is the heating in excess of air is called as the roasting. Okay. Is called as the roasting. Excess of air is called as the roasting. First one is the conversion of sulfide ore into their oxide. Now here in this roasting process you take only the sulfide ore. Sulfide ore only you are going to change the oxides. Okay. So concentrated ore, first you take the concentrated ore. Concentrated ore is heated with excess of oxygen, so below its melting point. Next, the impurities such as the arsenic, sulfur, phosphorus are removed as the volatile oxides. So remove the oxides. Now we are going to write the equation for the roasting process. In the roasting process you have, now we are going to see the three examples for the roasting. Okay, so now we are going to see the first example. So BBS. BBS means galena. So galena is the first example. So galena, you are going to react with the oxygen to give. Now we are going to heat the process. The sulfur react with the oxygen to form sulfur dioxide. Some lead changes into lead oxides, BB. This is the first example. Next, so galena also the sulfide ore. Another one sulfide ore is ZNS. ZNS means zinc blende. Zinc blende. Zinc blende also react with the oxygen, excess of oxygen. You are going to react with the excess of oxygen below its melting point. Okay, by excess of oxygen you are going to heat the reaction. ZN, the sulfur react with the oxygen to changes into sulfur dioxide is the gas. The zinc changes into zinc oxide. Another one example is Cu2. Yes, Cu2 is this copper glands. Copper glands. So react with the oxygen to heat. Sulfur react with the oxygen to form sulfur dioxide. It's a gas. So copper changes into copper oxide. Okay, now you are going to balance this equation. Here you have one sulfur, here also one sulfur, here two oxygen, totally here three oxygen, here one, here two oxygen. Now you are going to write the 2 here, here also 2, so 2 phosphorus, so here 2 sulfur, here you write the 2 sulfur, totally here 4 oxygen, here 2 oxygen, totally 6 oxygen. Now we are going to write the 3 here. Okay, so balanced. Here also same one, 2, 3, 2, 2. Okay. Now going to balance this equation. 2 copper, sulfur, 1 sulfur, 1 sulfur, but oxygen is 3 oxygen. Here 3 oxygen, here 2 oxygen. Now we are going to balance the copper is here 2, totally 4 copper, sulfur is 2 sulfur. Here you write the 2, totally 6 oxygen, you write the 3 here. So now we are going to balance the equation. Now we will say the impurities such as the arsenic, sulfur, phosphorus are removed as their volatile oxides. So which impurities? Arsenic, so changes into arsenic oxide, phosphorus, sulfur changes into oxide, phosphorus also changes into the oxides and volatiles. Volatiles means easily evaporate the roasting method. So how to change the impurities? What is the equation of the impurities equation? We are going to write the impurities equation. First you are going to take the sulfur. Sulfur react with the oxygen changes into sulfur dioxide gas. Next phosphorus react with the oxygen changes into phosphorus pentoxide, P4O10, phosphorus pentoxide. Next arsenic react with the oxygen to changes into arsenic oxide. This is also heating process. So okay, now you are going to balance the equation. Sulfur, the elemental state of the sulfur is S8. So S8, here also you write the 8. So totally sulfur is balanced, oxygen is totally 8 2s are 16 sulfur. So here you have so only 2 sulfur, here you write the 8. Okay, so balanced. See here 4 phosphorus, here only 1 phosphorus, so here write the 4, totally here 10 oxygen, so here you write the 5, so balanced. Okay, so arsenic is 2 arsenic, here only 1 arsenic, so here you write the only 1 arsenic, here how many oxygen, here 3 oxygen, to here write 2 means totally 3 2s are 6 oxygen, here you write the 3 2s are 6, oxygen is balanced, arsenic is so 4 arsenic, here you write the 4. That's all. This is the roasting equation. Okay, ma? In this method you are remove the sulfate ore, your changes into oxides. Okay, ma? So next your next videos you are going to see the calcination process, how to changes the ore into oxides. Okay, so thank you student.